When did you get your truck?
I got my truck 2 years ago.
What is your favorite thing about your truck?
My sound system. It has to be my sound system.
Is there any special qualities to your truck?
Special qualities. There's a lot. I have a train horn, my light bars, my speakers, my lift kit, my tires, my rims.
Okay. And what is it the most useful for?
What is it not useful for?
And how did you choose this truck?
How do I choose?
How did you choose it?
How did I choose it? I don't know. I like the color red. Red is my favorite color. And I've always lived with trucks. You know, I've never owned a car and I probably won't. But I knew this truck was for me.
Okay, and about how much money have you spent on it?
If I have to estimate, about 6,000-7,000.
Okay, what is your favorite thing about your truck?
I would have to say that it's 4x4 and it has a turbo in it, so it makes it go way faster.
Okay, how much money have you spent on it?
I want to say approximately around 2,000.
Okay, and what was it that you spent so much money on? What was the most expensive thing?
I spent around 750 more or less on the train horn itself, and then 350 on the intake, and then I added some stuff underneath the hood.
Okay, and what has been the most useful thing to do with your truck?
The fact that it's very spacious, I can fit 8 people and more in the back.
Okay, how did you choose this truck?
My favorite color is blue, so when I saw the blue and the aqua, the colors, they just look beautiful to me. So I was like, yeah, it's meant for me.
Okay, what is your favorite thing about your truck?
It's pretty fast.
How much money have you spent on it?
It's $3 grand.
What was the most expensive thing?
Paint job.
What is the most useful thing that your truck does?
It's useful for me to get home and school.
Okay, and how did you know to choose this truck?
Well, I didn't choose it. I gave it to you for my 15th birthday.
Okay, and what's your favorite quality about it?